Listen, witch. Ever notice laundry is basically a ritual of chaos? Socks vanish, whites turn gray, dryers conspire. Today, we're turning laundry disasters into full-blown comedy magic. Oh my God. You knocked the bejesus out of me. I think I almost missed the landing. Something happened in today's teleportation. Do I have everything? Wand, coffee, okay. Even got me a big ass fork. Anyways, welcome back, bestie, to Daily Chaos, where every sock basket and laundry mishap becomes a chance for side-eye dramatic gestures and unhinged hilarity. Today's episode, dramatic chaos while doing laundry. Prepare to laugh, smirk, and magically survive the domestic apocalypse. Common chaos triggers: missing socks, a national tragedy. Whites mysteriously turning gray. Dryer eating perfectly good clothes. Detergent spilling like a tiny snowstorm. Reaction options? Sigh and just keep folding. Boring. Dramatic side-eye at the washer. Excellent. Fully unhinged witchy comedy mode. Preferred. Technique 1, the epic eye roll. Roll eyes like the laundry gods personally betrayed you. Technique 2, the narration hex. Breaking news, my sock count continues to dwindle mysteriously. Chaos reigns. Technique 3, over-the-top gestures. Just throw your hands in the air. Technique 4, whispered commentary to the dryer that devours my clothing. I see you, and I shall remember. Technique 5, the recovery laugh. Hysterical laugh to release chaos energy. Remind the universe, you control the magic. You mean to tell me you folded a clean shirt and somehow it shrunk? Classic daily chaos. Your comedic energy plus side-eye equals unstoppable. Even when the universe conspires against your laundry, you laugh. Even when socks vanish, you remain magical. And your smirk, legendary. Say this out loud. I turn domestic chaos into laughter and magic. Again, my humor and energy are unshakable. Feel that? You just cast a hilarity spell over the laundry apocalypse. Every lost sock, spilled detergent, or dryer mishap equals a mini ritual. Dramatic sigh equals chaos release. Flailing hands equals energy cleansing. Side-eye at the laundry equals magical armor. Turn mundane laundry into entertainment magic. Today's assignment: pick one laundry disaster. React over the top. Narrate like it's theatrical comedy. Share your funniest reactions in the comments. I can't wait to hear them. Practice these. Dramatic eyebrow raise for every missing sock. Whisper sarcastic commentary to the camera. I do this all the time while I'm filming. Pretend to cast chaos spells at the washer or dryer. Your aura equals laundry proof. Your energy equals hilarity maxed. All right, messy bestie. This is more than enough out of me for the day for you. Stay strong, stay messy, but don't forget your magic. I may be the witch, but you are the magic. You're the witch of the week, and I would not be able to do any of this without you. So if you need to summon me before tomorrow, you can find me on Facebook at the Carnivore Witch Drea. And if you're subscribed and you rang the bell, then you will be the one being summoned as soon as I upload another video, go live, or post a comment in the community here. Thank you for showing up today. Thank you for being brave enough to feel things with me. And thank you from the bottom of my deep, dark, purple-loving heart. Yes, magic is trying to get in. And thank you from the bottom of my deep, dark, purple-loving heart for being part of this magical, messy community. There wouldn't be a community without you. Hopefully, you give this video I made for you a thumbs up. That means you liked it, and your like is your applause, and your applause tells the algorithm this is cool enough to share. And then it shows this message to someone who needs humor in their daily chaos. If you made it this far, post the word sock slam down in the comments. It's kind of like 2 words as one, but I couldn't come up with anything. It's a little something that we just do around here just for fun. And as always, I love you, Messy Bestie. If no one told you today they love you, then no, I told you first. Your chaos, laughter, and magic are unstoppable, Bestie. I'll see you tomorrow.